During apparel, textile, leather and footwear manufacturing, lots of chemicals are used, some of which may harm people and/or the environment. The ZDHC Manufacturing Restricted Substances List, ZDHC MRSL for short, is a list of priority chemicals restricted from intentional use by manufacturers. First, it's important to understand the difference between an MRSL and an RSL. An RSL limits the chemicals that end up in a finished material or product. An MRSL targets chemicals that are used in the manufacturing process of products, including materials. Therefore, an MRSL is more comprehensive than an RSL. The intent of the ZDHC MRSL is to control the input of chemical formulations used in manufacturing by removing priority chemicals from the manufacturing process and, in doing so, keep them out of finished products, wastewater, sludge and air emissions.
The Partnership for Sustainable Textiles is a multi-stakeholder initiative striving to improve conditions in global textile production. Takko is committed to implement MRSL guidelines across its supply chain.
Takko has developed the Manufacturing Restricted Substance List MRSL and is in conformance with ZDHC MRSL, Zero Discharge of Hazardous Chemicals. Takko has designed a comprehensive manual for the implementation and monitoring process of Takko MRSL. This will help in the wet processing facilities step by step in Takko MRSL implementation process. All wet processing facilities in the supply chain would adhere to Takko MRSL and a well-defined chemical management system shall be established in the facility.
The Takko aims to implement MRSL in all our supplier wet processing facilities. We have a dedicated team and guideline to make this happen.
At the entrance of the dyeing factory, we control the entry of chemicals here. At the chemical storage location, this is verified by up-to-date inventory and housekeeping as per international norms. Operators with personal protective equipment. Risk assessment of dyeing machine is done and all workers are ensured to use proper personal protective equipment devices. At the recycling plant, zero discharge of wastewater is made possible with the latest technology. Sledges are sold to cement factories and air emission are ensured to be within stipulated parameters.
We are confident and targeting that Takko supply chain would be fully MRSL by 2023. Thank you.